Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle the common issue, how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. Let's get started. First things first, if you forgot your Gmail password, unfortunately there's no way to see it directly due to security reasons. But don't worry, I'll show you how to reset your Gmail password and regain access to your account. Before we start, make sure you have access to your recovery email or phone number. Open your browser and go to the Google home page. Then click on Sign In at the right corner. Enter your Gmail password and click Next. On the password page, click on Forgot Password. Google will now ask you to verify your identity. You can do this via the recovery email, phone number, or answering security questions. Follow the prompts for the method you choose. Once verified, you will be able to enter a new password. Make sure it's something you can remember but also secure. After entering a new password, confirm it and click Next. You should see a confirmation that your password has been reset. Click Continue to proceed to your Gmail inbox with your new password. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.